What if the most courageous choice you can make is actually refusing to pick a side? In the world that's constantly shouting, you're a coward if you're not taking sides, neutrality gets a bad rep. But here's the truth: neutrality isn't about dodging a conflict, it's about rising above it to find clarity and to create real change. Today, I'm diving into why neutrality is the hardest but most powerful path you can take in life. So stick around because this might just change how you see the world and also the esoteric world, really. So if you're new here, hit subscribe button and join the conversation. So let's get into it. Now, I'm part of the OBOD, so this is the Order of Bard, Ovid, and Druids, and we have this powerful symbol. Now, picture this: three lines, one leading left, one leaning right, and the center, the pillar, holds it all together. So, for me, this is neutrality in its purest form. The left and the right represents opposing forces, think politics, beliefs, even personal arguments. So pulling it, this is actually pulling you in different directions. But that middle line, well, that's the balance point. It's where you stand when you refuse to get sucked into the chaos of picking sides. So neutrality doesn't mean you're weak or you're wishy washy. Far from it. It's about seeing both sides clearly without bias and finding the truth that lies in the middle. So it's like being the calm in the storm, the anchor that keeps everything from falling apart. And trust me, in today's world, it's polarized and to the extreme. So it's not, neutrality is not the easy path, but it is essential. We're bombarded daily with demands to choose red or blue, us or them, right or wrong. But picking a side often fuels conflict, not solutions. Neutrality lets you step back, assess, and act from a place of integrity. To share with you a story that made this really crystal clear for me. So, a while back, I watched a video by Robert J. Gilbert, and that completely reframed how I see neutrality. In this 2.5 hour talk, he broke down this idea in a way that really hit me like a lightning bolt. He described two extremes. So, on the one side, the bringer of light, think pure spirit, rejecting the physical world. So it's so intense. Its light is so intense that it burns away everything in its path. On the other side, raw physicality, obsessed with material things, with no room for spirit. Hmm. Both are unbalanced, destructive in their own way. So when Gilbert introduced the center, the pillar of light. He introduced it as being just like the archangel Michael flaming sword. So this is neutrality. It cuts through illusions, sees what is just, and act without hesitation, no matter the consequences. So he said, and I'm paraphrasing here, when you're stuck in the duality of life and death, strip it away. Keep only the sword straight against the sky. That's pure reality, the only right action to take. I had to pause the video right there. It was like he put words to a truth, and I always felt it, but I couldn't name it. So neutrality isn't about avoiding tough choices. It's about making it right, the right choice, free from the noise of duality. It stands in integrity. It acts with clarity, and it's trusting your inner compass. That's what makes it a true initiate. That's what makes a true initiate, as Gilbert said it. This idea isn't just philosophy or esoteric. It actually works in real life. Years ago, I was a teacher, and I remember a student came to me, and she was upset about a conflict between friends. She was torn between the two because she was unsure who to trust, which side to take. And I told her, don't pick side. Just neutrality is the hardest path, but it's the only one where you can find common ground. Look at both sides, weigh their claims and mistakes, and help them see the bigger picture. At first, she seemed a bit confused. Then something clicked. Her eyes lit up, and she went back, mediated the conflict, and helped her friends find peace. That moment stuck with me. Neutrality isn't just diffuse the situation. No, it empowered her to create a solution that worked for everyone. Hmm. So that is the power of neutrality. It's not about staying silent or sitting on the fence. No, it's about seeing clearly, acting justly, and building bridges in a world that thrives on divisions. So, why neutrality is so important? Well, because it's the key to breaking free from the trap of duality. It's the courage to stand in the center, to hold the true sword of truth, and act with integrity no matter what. Now, next time that you're pressured to pick a side, whether it's in an argument, a political debate, or even personal conflict, try this. Step back, see both perspective, and ask, what is the right action here? You'll be amazed with the clarity that it gives. So I want to hear from you. So have you ever found power in staying neutral? So share your story in the comment section below. I read everyone. I read every single one of them. So if this video resonated with you, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs it. So hit that subscribe button and for more content like this, that is. And thank you for watching. So we'll see you here next time. Stay centered and stay true. Take care.